Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2011 Chevy Cruze and I will show you which fuses to check in case your front headlights are not working. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now all of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Right here. Now to remove the cover you'll have a couple of black tabs, one here, and one here. So want to press these small clips together and lift up to unlock it. And you will do that on all three of them. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram, and right here with this white piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First two fuses to check will be located in the bottom left corner, fuse number 37 and 38, both 10 amp fuses. Fuse number 37, it's a headlamp, right main beam. Fuse number 38, also headlamp, left main beam. So left and right. And now one more thing worth checking, it's fuse number 54, which is a 5 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to headlight switch. In case all of these fuses are good and you're still having problems with your headlights, then first of course make sure that the bulbs are good. You'll have to check the wiring towards the headlights. You'll have to test the headlight switch, as there could be a possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.